I built this draggable portfolio website using AI tools. And honestly, the workflow is crazy. In this video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step way of how I created this fully interactive draggable portfolio website using AI tools like Lovable, Google AI Studio, Claude, GitHub, and VS Code. And inside VS Code, we're gonna be using the codex. It is without any manual coding, the entire thing from scratch. So let me show you how I did it. Okay, wait a second, I want to show you something. This is the video resource template I have built, and here you can find all the video I have created so far and assets I have used. So here, this is the newest video. This is the video you are watching right now. I didn't brainstorm a title yet, that's why it's empty, but I will change it when I post. You can find the downloadable link in the description. It's totally free. You can download that and go through with me. Okay, now we are officially ready to start. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Okay, let's go. We're gonna be using Lovable to create the front end. So before creating front end, we need an inspiration, right? So for that, I'm gonna be using the Awwwards website. There you can get a ton of portfolio website ideas. There is 9,344 design, portfolio design specifically. In here, you can get inspiration from. So I'm gonna scroll and find something that's useful for us. So after scrolling a bit, I found this website. I'll just open right over here and wait, let me just explain it. First of all, I will say that there won't be the features like this because we're gonna be using interactive dragging feature in this hero section. So when we scroll down, these are section I'm gonna add like the about section. Then there is feature section and there is process. Then there is insights. Then there is footer. We gonna clone this website structure. That's what we're gonna do. For that, I need to take a video of this website, I mean screen recording, and then the link, the screen recording of this video and also the link. That's are the two things we needed to create the implementation plan that will clone this website. So let's do that. So next step is creating the implementation plan. So I have screen recorded everything of this website from hero section to footer. Let's just save this first. I think I have already saved it. Okay, we have saved it twice. So now I am at the playground of Google AI Studio, and here I'm going to just paste the prompt that will create the implementation plan using the link and the screen recording. So for that, let's provide both the link. So for the link, I'm going to just copy right over here and then paste it, and the screen recording I'll be attached. So here I'm going to just upload that screen recording here. Okay, now I have added the video and also the link. So all we need to do is just run it, and can take about 2, 3, 4 minutes, and it will create the implementation plan for us. Then we convert that implementation plan to PDF file. You can do that simply by going to ChatGPT and say convert this text to PDF file, and you will convert the text to PDF file and you can download that. Simple. Now let's build the website, and I'm in Lovable to create it. Here I'm gonna paste the prompt. So in the prompt we need to add the reference like the implementation plan created, then the link of the website, also the screen recording. I will go to the top, and this is the top, and as you can see, and there is also optional screenshot as well, but we are not adding that. So I'm gonna just delete this. If you're adding that, you shouldn't delete that. And then I'm gonna just add the implementation plan, and I have added the implementation plan. Next I'm gonna add the screen recording of the website, and then I'm gonna add the link of the website. Now we have added the 3 inputs. So before entering, make sure you have in plan mode. We need to plan before building. So here I'm gonna just enter it, and we got our plan ready. I'm gonna just show you, and this is the plan, and this contains everything you need to know, and read it carefully, and if there is some mistake found, then you can change that. You can edit anything you want by using this, but I'm gonna just send approve. Just like that, we have created the front end. I'm gonna just open it. I have opened it in a new tab, and as you can see, the hero section is empty because this is where we're gonna add the interactive feature. So I'm gonna just scroll, and as you can see, it's working really fine. Come over here and then go to where it's GitHub. Okay, I'm gonna go to GitHub and grab this entire code, and we're gonna move to this code later. And this is the whole code. This has everything Lovable has used. I'm gonna just download in zip file. So let's move that code to VS Code. Our next step is adding that code to our VS Code. So here go to file and then open folder. So here I have already converted that zip file into a normal file. Here are the pixel perfect pixel main. I'm gonna select that folder. So now we got all the code. Okay, now let's add the code in our hero section. For that, I have already created a demo. Okay, here you can see with this prompt, I mean show more. Okay, with this prompt, I have built this draggable section in using Claude. Gonna full screen it. As you can see, we can drag things around, and it's really working fine. Just like that, you can replace this sticker with your image or anything you want. If you're an interior designer, you can add your own work here. It's gonna really attract more clients because it look professional. Okay, now we need this feature in our hero section. For that, I have told Claude to create a prompt that will add this feature in our hero section. For that, we need to copy the prompt first. Copied and come over here and move this to codex. Now I'm gonna paste the prompt right over here, paste it, and then gonna come to Chrome and go to that draggable feature that Claude created. And this is here, go to this three dot and copy to clipboard, go down and then paste it right over here. Then all we need to do is just enter, and then the codex do its work, and all we need to do is just wait. And just like that, we have localhost 2. Now let's just open it. So this is the view. I'm gonna just full screen it, and let's see if it's draggable or not. I'm gonna drag. Okay, which one should I pick? Okay, what about the heart? I'm gonna just move. Okay, right over here, and we can move right over here, right over here, right over here, right over here. Oh my god, it's cool. We can move around things like that. This is so adipoli. I mean, really cool. And this simply is you can make the draggable feature in our hero section or any section you want. You can make even a whole page draggable. It's super simple. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you the next awesome video next time. Okay? Thank you for watching.